Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32. من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. That if anyone kills any human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as if he has killed the entire humanity. And if anyone saves, وَمَنْ أَحْيَاهَا فَكَأَنَّمَا أَحْيَا النَّاسَ جَمِيعًا. And if anyone saves any single human being, it is as if he has saved the whole of humanity. I do not know of any religious scripture on the face of the earth which says that if you kill any human being, it is as if you have killed the whole of humanity. And if you save any human being, it is as if you have saved the whole of humanity. But the glorious Quran mentions this. So the media, it maligns Islam. Killing any innocent human being, whether that person be a Muslim or a non-Muslim, it is against the teachings of Islam. It is against the teachings of the glorious Quran. So we Muslims, we should make use of the media in order to convey the message of Islam to the non-Muslims, to those who are unaware of it.